Fish. 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 I could choose the best one out of those three. Just put it up.
Unbench the Kench.
Bench the gay.
Unclog the frog.
You ever think Michael has autism?
Yes. No, doesn't Azir have esports skin?
No. Yeah, but like I don't like that team.
That's so good. SKT.
That's SKT.
That's like,
Almost unwinnable. Just the way I like it.
Oh shit!
oh,
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
How have we lost the game already? Just like it just started.
No, I did
Well,
more
just
damage to them
flashed,
though.
But I got Dark Harvest stack.
Yeah, we lost it.
Yeah, but I took like more than half their HP with a single W.
Like I know
Bro,
we have
I just
sniper
wanted to
bot
choose
lane,
my
but,
music.
Like Sydney's a horrible support. Have you seen what she did to Cowlin?
Yeah.
This is gonna be very passive.
What?
What?
Missing! Missing!
Ah, Cindy's all over.
who's missing? Who's the
Mid lane is missing! Mid lane missing!
They're gay. I don't.
Wow. Calling people gay, I see how it is.
Cindy being ballsy.
Very funny.
Funny Minecraft.
Funny because she's a shit support. Ha!
Haha, very funny.
Where you going, kid?
Kid.
Did you say bitch?
I said kid.
Bitch.
Bitch.
Cindy just said
I'm
bitch.
up this bitch.
Bitch.
Nah, bitch.
Do you know what I think would just let me play a lot better?
Killing yourself.
Yes. That and finishing the rest of SAO.
Already finished SAO. Hello,
I'm
Michael.
never gonna finish.
I already finished season 3 in like 2 days.
It's probably bad.
Yeah, you're actually right.
That's true.
And Cindy does not have a
Uh oh,
controller.
Cindy sneezed therefore we have coronavirus.
Yep. I'm not even Chinese. Something.
Same thing. Hello?
What the hell? Did you even mean to input that? Oh, okay. I thought Jason became actually good for something, but turns out he's still fucking
I was,
garbage
though, huh?
shit-ass bitch.
You know, I was recording this entire time. I could restore your whole career.
Nah, they would be like, oh wow, he's very multiracial. Push up, find vision of it.
Oh god, my camera control.
Fast key combo.
Michael.
It's your brother.
Ah,
What is
mid lane.
going on?
Ah,
They're
right
coming,
side.
they're coming, they're coming.
Cindy.
Wow.
Fine.
Jason, you fucking killed Tom. What?
Oh, hi, how are you?
What? What is this? How did Jason kill fucking Tom Kench?
I'm god tier.
He's itemizing.
I am god tier.
Wait, I can get mid lane. Yo, yeah, keep him busy.
Oh hey guys. Oh my god.
Sorry, kid. Gotta get this first turret. Not
What
gonna
is
be.
this guy doing?
And Jason.
Cindy, don't.
Take it, take it. Hurry up, Michael. Oh my god, he failed.
And you missed.
Fuck!
Michael, I was for you.
Cause you're a good support. Cindy. I already said you're.
He said JK, he said JK is under his breath.
Yeah, I heard it.
Dude, that Talon is being a.
He's actually like negative brain crevice. Like I don't get it.
He's just parkouring. Dude, he's actually doing better than me.
Why was my ultimate canceled? Why was I stunned? Hello? Oh wait, famous.
Why did I start taking these?
I saved this talent for nothing. Hello? I got nothing back. He gave me no love back.
Wait, Talon can do that. Wait, hold on. What? Kaisa's fed?
Oh wait, we have a Kai. They have a Kaisa. I didn't notice that.
Wait, what?
No, I'm not. I didn't. Oh, okay.
We rush.
What are we rushing? We're gonna die.
Why was I targeted? What the fuck? No! No! No!
Hey!
Wait, you got the
And the
Kaisa?
Bane's right here, being an idiot. There's no Kaisa, brother.
There's no Kai. Wait,
What do you mean? Yeah, that's jungler.
Kaisa? What the?
That's Rek'Sai.
The jung. Ah, fuck. Guys, I think it's sleepy shortby hours.
Yeah, I feel that.
I think thing's a little bit tipsy, you know what I'm saying? You know, getting crunk on that alcohol, you know, getting crunk on that 60%, you know? Isosceles triangle.
Why do you do so much damage?
Heck yeah, guys.
I'm 13, 6, and 4. I'd hope I do that.
Oh,
Hell
I would
yeah,
too.
guys. Hey, I'm coming over. Don't eat him.
So
Stop him. Go over here or something.
What is this talent?
I keep stabbing this fish. Stab him. Penetrate.
Stab!
Oh, finally a free
You
Drake.
catch a fish and you need to kill it so you can cook it later.
Drake.
Yeah,
Drake.
it's called spearfishing.
Go for Drake. Go for Drake.
What is
Oh
this?
my God.
Okay, I thought you were Vayne. I was about to fucking kill you.
First you thought Rek'Sai was Kaisa, and then you thought Vayne was Kaisa. Now you thought Jin was Kaisa. Oh no!
Hey, hit this turret. Hit the turret so you can't TP. Okay, Lotus didn't hit the turret. Yeah, Michael, we're not friends anymore. That was actually so unlucky, it was unbelievable. Oh my god, the crossfire. It's in. Oh my god, yes. Finally, Jason's Azir gameplay is not just insects. It's actually using the ult to put them away and constantly stabbing them like little catfish.
Like little fish, okay?
Oh my God,
like little
I knew.
fish. Little fish, don't say the F word.
Like little fish. Yeah, just put that over the other word. Okay, no one say anything, I'll just say fish. 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 I could choose the best one out of those three, just put it on.
How about I just don't do that? I just have you just say fish 3 times. And you guys gonna be fighting over there, right? Fighting over the wall while I do something.
What?
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, hit that Q. Wait, that was a Q, right?
You cannot have you die here. Push this, push that.
Wow, wow, and I didn't get a single honor. Wow, I love the love.
13, 14, 15, 16.
We're so. Oh God!
Wait, so Olaf is not.
Should we go?
No, you're dead to ignite. You should have flash there.
Yeah.
Listen well, slut. I am your Balgrift, and I be ballin'.
Ballin'. Yeah,
Y'all
ballin'.
Swag. Woman, I'm Lord of the Rings. I'm the Jarl of Whiterun.
Right.
Holla if you need me.